Welcome to the tutorials for the SONAPHONE DataSuite software. In this video, I would like to give you a brief overview of the software layout. Before you log in for the first time, select the language you prefer. After the login screen, you will see the empty basic layout of the software. The software is organized in tabs. The first tab is called Asset Expert. In the Asset Expert tab, you edit your asset tree, manage all measuring points in the asset tree, and plan your inspection routes. In addition, you use the Asset Expert tab to synchronize the routes with the SONAPHONE handheld test device. The second tab is called Data Viewer. It shows the details of all the measurements that have been carried out and saved. You can display the parameters in the trend curve and perform analysis of the ultrasonic signal via the time signal and spectrogram. Both tabs are organized into widgets. All widgets can be adapted in size according to your needs. Expand a single widget from the tab in order to display it enlarged on the screen. Here is another practical tip. In the main menu, you can find a link to the online manual for further information.